Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Bybit. For that, launch your Sweat wallet and over here in the top you will be able to see your total balance. So as you can see that currently I have around 9.8C in my Sweat wallet account and some of them are also in the claimed balance. So first let me just claim my coins. So in order to claim it, you can tap on the claim option and then swipe in order to claim it. After that, you just have to wait for some time until your earnings is added into your total earnings. So after that, you just have to simply tap on the transfer button that would be on the home page. Here you need to select Sweat and then it will ask you to provide the username or the address. So in order to get these details, you need to launch your Bybit application and here you just have to simply tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to select the deposit option and select the deposit crypto option. Now here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Sweat. Now once you are able to find Sweat, you just have to tap on it. Now it will ask you to select the network, so you can select between Near protocol and ERC20. So I would recommend you to go with Near. So after selecting the Near network, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that from your Bybit account and come back to your Sweat wallet, paste the address in this section and press next. On the next page, you need to enter the amount of Sweat that you want to transfer and then you just have to simply initiate your Sweat transferring process. Now once this step is done, you will be able to receive your Sweat coin into your Bybit account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like. If you have any questions, you can comment them down. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you so much for watching.